Have you ever heard of people making thousands of dollars per month from the internet? It's true. People are quitting their jobs and ditching the 9-to-5 grind to work from home, and you can too. You might be thinking, that sounds great, but how is it even possible? Well, the internet has opened up a ton of opportunities to earn money online, from freelance work to starting your own business. It's never been easier to be your own boss and set your own hours. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle, a stay-at-home parent wanting to earn extra income, or just someone who hates their job and wants a change, this video is for you. I'm going to break down the best ways to make money online and give you all the tools you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom, buckle up and get ready to take notes because this is going to be a game changer. Let's dive in. Freelancing is basically the gig economy of the internet. You have a skill, whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or even virtual assisting, and you offer your services to clients all over the world on a project-by-project basis. The beauty of freelancing is that you're your own boss. You set your own hours, you choose your clients, and you have the freedom and flexibility that a traditional 9-to-5 job just can't offer. Plus, you can work from anywhere in the world. Now you might be thinking, but Graham, how do I find clients? That's where freelance platforms come in. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour connect freelancers with clients looking for their specific skill sets. These platforms act as a middleman, handling things like payments and contracts so you can focus on what you do best, delivering high-quality work and building a stellar reputation. Speaking of which, let's talk about how to actually make money freelancing. First things first, you need to choose the right platform for your skills and experience level. Fiverr is great for beginners looking to get their feet wet with small, quick projects. Upwork is better suited for more seasoned freelancers with a proven track record. Freelancer is a good all-rounder, catering to a wide range of skills and budgets, while People Per Hour is ideal for those who prefer to work on an hourly basis. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create a killer profile that showcases your skills and experience. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure your profile is professional, engaging, and highlights your unique selling points. Don't forget to set competitive rates. While it might be tempting to lowball yourself to secure your first few gigs, remember that you're worth it. Start with competitive prices, deliver exceptional work, and build a strong reputation with great reviews. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates and attract even higher-paying clients. If you're passionate about something and love creating videos, then YouTube might just be your golden ticket to online income. Whether you're into gaming, makeup tutorials, financial advice like me, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for you. The best part? YouTube offers multiple avenues for generating income. You can earn money through Google AdSense ads, which run on your videos. You can partner with brands for sponsorships and paid promotions. You can even create your own products or services and promote them directly to your audience. But before you start counting your views and dreaming of YouTube fame, remember that building a successful channel takes time, effort, and consistency. You need to create high-quality content that people actually want to watch, optimize your videos for search, and promote your channel on social media. But don't let that discourage you. With the right strategy and a whole lot of hustle, you can turn your passion for video creation into a lucrative online business. Let's talk about the different ways you can actually make money from your YouTube channel. The most common method is through Google AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, you can apply for monetization and start earning ad revenue. Another popular option is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. If you have a large and engaged audience, you can also explore sponsorships and paid promotions. Brands are always looking for ways to reach their target market, and partnering with YouTubers is a great way to do that. And finally, if you want to create a more sustainable and recurring income stream, consider offering memberships and exclusive content to your most loyal fans. This could include behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, exclusive live streams, and more. Affiliate marketing, guys, it's like the ultimate side hustle. Imagine getting paid to recommend products you already love. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You're basically connecting people with products they're looking for and earning a commission for every sale you drive. Think about it, you're scrolling through your Instagram feed, you see a cool tech gadget and you think, man, I wish I had that. With affiliate marketing, you can actually get paid for recommending that gadget to your followers. It's a win-win. Now you might be wondering, how much money can I actually make with this? Well, the sky's the limit. It all depends on your niche, your audience, and how effectively you promote those products. Some affiliate marketers are making 6 figures a month, while others are using it to cover their monthly coffee fix. The point is, it's a legitimate way to make money online, and it's only getting bigger. Alright, so you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Awesome! The first step is to find the right affiliate program. Platforms like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and ShareASale are great places to start. Once you've joined a few programs, it's time to choose products that align with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key here. Don't just promote any random product for the sake of it. Choose products you genuinely believe in and that your audience will actually find valuable. Now comes the fun part, promoting your affiliate links. You can do this through your blog, social media, email list, or even YouTube videos. Get creative and experiment with different strategies to see what works best for you. And here's a pro tip. Focus on providing value to your audience. Don't just blast them with affiliate links. Create helpful content, reviews, or tutorials that genuinely help them make informed purchasing decisions. Let's talk about digital products, one of the most lucrative ways to generate passive income online. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again without having to worry about inventory, shipping, or physical limitations. That's the beauty of digital products. From ebooks and online courses to graphic design templates and stock photos, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can create digital products in almost any niche imaginable. Think about your skills and passion. What knowledge or expertise can you package into a digital product? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or a master chef. Whatever your skills, there's a digital product out there waiting to be created. And the earning potential? Well, it's huge. With the right product, marketing strategy, and a little bit of hustle, you can generate a substantial income stream from digital products alone. Creating your first digital product might seem daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Start by brainstorming ideas that align with your skills and interests. What problems can you solve for your target audience? Once you have a solid idea, it's time to create your product. This could involve writing an ebook, recording an online course, designing templates, or even composing music. Remember, quality is key here. Now that you have your digital masterpiece ready to go, it's time to choose a platform to sell it on. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable offer user-friendly interfaces and a wide reach, making it easy to get your products in front of potential customers. Don't forget to promote your digital products. Leverage social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to get the word out. Remember, the more people you reach, the more sales you're likely to make. Alright guys, let's dive into the exciting and sometimes volatile world of cryptocurrencies. You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and potential. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, isn't crypto super risky? And you're not entirely wrong, the crypto market can be incredibly volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly in short periods. But here's the thing, with high risk can come high reward. Before you even think about investing a single dollar into crypto, you need to do your research. Understand the technology behind blockchain, learn about different cryptocurrencies, and familiarize yourself with the risks involved. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat crypto investments like you would any other high-risk investment. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and be prepared for some ups and downs along the way. Now let's talk about NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are like digital certificates of ownership for unique digital assets, such as art, music, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. Think of it like owning the original Mona Lisa, but instead of a physical painting, it's a digital file. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, which ensures their authenticity and scarcity. This has led to an explosion in the NFT market, with some NFTs selling for millions of dollars. But just like with cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to approach NFTs with caution. Do your due diligence, research the creators, and understand the value proposition of the NFTs you're considering investing in. The world of crypto and NFTs is constantly evolving, so staying informed is key. Educate yourself, start small, and never be afraid to ask questions. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss and having a business you could run from anywhere? Well, e-commerce and dropshipping could be your ticket to freedom. Imagine this: you wake up, grab your coffee, and check your phone to see orders coming in from your online store. That's the power of dropshipping. You don't need a warehouse full of inventory or to worry about shipping logistics. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle all of that for you. You focus on building your brand, marketing your products, and providing excellent customer service. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for anyone looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, setting up an online store sounds complicated and expensive, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly simple to create a professional-looking store in just a few clicks. You can have your store up and running within a day, ready to start taking orders. And the best part, you don't need a ton of money to get started. With dropshipping, you only pay for products when a customer places an order. This eliminates the risk of investing in inventory that might not sell. It's a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. So, how do you get started with dropshipping? First, choose a niche you're passionate about. Research to find a profitable niche. Find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress. Build your online store using Shopify. Market your store on social media. Do you have a knack for writing and sharing your thoughts with the world? Blogging can turn your passion into a lucrative online business. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's passive income. You can blog from anywhere with an internet connection. How do you make money from blogging? Display advertising and affiliate marketing are popular methods. So, you're ready to dive into the world of blogging and start monetizing your words? The first step is to choose a blogging platform. While there are several options available, WordPress is widely considered the gold standard, and for good reason. It's user-friendly, highly customizable, and offers a vast library of plugins and themes to enhance your blog's functionality and design. Once you've set up your blog, it's time to start creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. This could be anything from informative articles and how-to guides to personal stories and product reviews. The key is to be consistent with your posting schedule and to write about topics that you're passionate about and that align with your niche. Now, attracting readers to your blog is crucial for generating income. This is where search engine optimization (SEO) comes into play. SEO involves optimizing your blog posts for search engines like Google so that they rank higher in search results. Focus on using relevant keywords, writing informative and engaging content, and building backlinks to your website. Remember, building a successful blog takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating valuable content, promoting your blog, and engaging with your audience, and you'll start to see your hard work pay off. There you have it. We've covered a ton of ground in this video, exploring some of the most effective ways to unlock your online income potential and achieve financial freedom. From freelancing and YouTube to e-commerce and blogging, the possibilities are truly endless in the digital age. Remember, the key to success in the online world is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find what works best for you. Building a sustainable online income takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and never stop hustling. The online world is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and never give up on your dreams of financial freedom. Now, I'm curious to know, which of these online income methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.